Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken belt buckle. This can happen when you're in the field. Generally the breaking points are on this side of the buckle and one of the prongs gets snapped. Usually it's by a boot, maybe a car door, a heavy rock. They generally don't just break on their own without any sort of impact. And if you are the victim of a broken buckle, I'm just going to quickly show you how you can easily replace it. Along with your backpack's waist belt, you're also going to need a replacement buckle, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small handsaw or something to cut the broken buckle off. Now, the buckle you're going to need is a special buckle. It's made by Sea to Summit and it's called a field repair buckle. For the waist belt, you specifically need a 38mm 2-pin field repair buckle. I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase that, but it's generally available in most mountain shops, Amazon, or directly from the Sea to Summit website. If you're in the field and you notice that your buckle breaks, the only way to repair it in the field is if you have a backup buckle with you. So it's not a bad idea to purchase one of these ahead of time and just put it in one of your pack's pockets so you have it just in case it happens. But if you don't have it with you, you'll likely be able to get through the rest of your day without the buckle. You just won't have that firm support around your waist. If you are in the field, this is what you'll need to do for a quick fix. The belt in its normal position will be locked like this. So you'll want to take the end that you normally pull on and just pull it all the way. Do that on both sides, just like that. So then you'll take your buckle and you'll notice on this end we have a little loop here. You'll put the loop between here, slide the pin in. Now ideally you have a pocket tool to do this. I'm going to show you with an actual screwdriver, but you'll just want to tighten it like that and your buckle is on and replaced. And now we'll do it on the other side. Make sure you line it up with the hole. Just like this. And now if we close it, so when you actually tighten it, you'll just want to pull it tight through here, which is, it might seem a little awkward, but it actually does still work. It's only a temporary solution, so don't get too worried about it. But you'll just want to pull it tight like this and like that. And you can see it's going to be less than a minute to actually repair your belt in the field. Now imagine you're back home and you need to permanently repair your belt. So we'll remove the field repair buckle, and this is where we get the saw out. Now I grabbed this particular saw because it was the cheapest one I could find, and I just wanted to show you that with a very cheap saw you can perform this repair. And this one costs probably the equivalent of $3 US. Why this particular one is handy is because it will fit through the belt and I can cut it like this, which is a lot better than cutting it like this. Just in case the saw slips, you don't want to catch your hand. When it's in here, it's nice and protected and you're very unlikely to catch your hand. So let's just saw this off quickly. You'll want to do this in a place you can easily clean up because the plastic will leave a little bit of sawdust. All right, now that we've got that cut, now that was cut, let's just slide it out. And we will grab our field repair buckle, drop it in, just as we did with the temporary fix. Take our Phillips screwdriver. And lock the one end down. Now on the other side, we'll do the same thing. Alrighty. So in real time, that's probably 10 to 15 seconds of cutting. Not very long at all, and very little effort. right. And just like that, we're back in business and the buckle has been fixed permanently. So I hope that helps anyone who experiences a broken buckle in the field, just so they can see it's very easy to repair. You can buy this particular buckle direct from Sea to Summit. You can find it on Amazon, and I've also seen it in most mountain shops. It's a very common and popular product. Buckles do break. Generally anything that's stronger than the buckle, a big rock, a ski boot, a hiking boot, a car door, just basically anything can break it. You might not see whatever impacts it that actually breaks it. The final break might be a couple days, couple weeks later, but they can pretty much be weakened at any time in your adventures, and you might not notice. So it's definitely a good idea to keep one of these field repair buckles in your backpack. Again, Sea to Summit field repair buckle. Make sure you get the 2-pin 38mm version, and we will see you next time. Take care.